Hello there, guys. Very good evening, good afternoon. I'm actually going to be giving you a little bit of a trade idea on Euro USD. We're talking about Euro USD. I'm just looking at the daily chart at the moment. Now, it'll be a very short video, but I just want to dive straight into the pattern that I see for Euro USD, the direction that I see it going further. I think we're looking at the downside, more bearish momentum. I have got a bit of a surprise pattern here. We finished the ABCD bearish pattern. From the B point here, you have got a zigzag that has actually completed. But right now, what I am looking at is a potential of further fall of the Euro USD following the sharp, the bearish, we call it the bullish pattern. It is bearish from B to C, but now I'm looking at price is currently in between 1.0850 and 1.0820. So what I'm looking at is a break under 1.0820. If it does actually go under 1.0820, you are looking at further downside to 1.0675. So that is actually quite a significant sort of pip drop. So we're looking at least, I would say, about 145 to 150 potential pips drop. So I would say up to about 140 pips or so. So there's a potential to make anywhere between 130 to 140 because we want to adjust the price as well. So now we talk about price entry. Price entry for Euro USD for a sell can do a pending order, and that pending order can start under 1.0820. Now 1.0820 is your psychological level, so I'm looking at selling it only at least 10 pips under 1.0820. So that gives us a selling price. Let me just type that out as well. A selling price of your sell entry there is sell at 1.0870. Okay, I want to take this a lot into consideration when we come into the psychological level. So if I want to sell, I would sell under the psychological level at least by 10 pips. Okay, so that gives me my selling price at selling price at 1.0870. So I think I've got that one wrong. It's not 0870 because I'm looking at 0880. I'm looking at 0820 as my psychological level. So let's just do that again. 1.0810, sorry. So if it is 10 pips under 1.0820, that means it is 10 pips under, giving you 1.0810. Okay, sorry about that. So we have got an adjustment there of your entry price. Can do a pending order on this one, sell stop, and that sell stop can be at 1.0810. So I'll just move that one right there. So I've got that already written here actually. So let me just get that away. Now we'll bring that there and move that one down here. So your selling price 1.0810. Okay, pending order, and then it gives me a entry right there. This is really interesting because we have got a sharp pattern right there, and that sharp pattern usually has got two price target. One is your 1.618 ratio. When you put it from here right up there, so you've got two targets. One is at 1.618, which is just there, exactly where price is now at about 1 or 2 pips away from 1.618. But then the next one is 224. It's around 1.0680 area, but actually to be accurate, it pointed out at 1.0675. So what I want to do is 1.0675 is not a good price to take your profit because it's really close to 1.0680. So what I will then do is I will mark my price of your take profit at 1.0690, which is 10 pips above the 80 psychological level. So let me just mark that through. So I am not going to take that C point on the dot as my take profit. I will adjust it to 1.0690. Okay, so let me just type that in the price, 1.0690 right there. Okay, so now we have got that. So now if I were to enter 1.08, let me just adjust the price as well. Okay, give me a second. So 1.0810, I'll just have a yellow line as well to mark your entry price. Okay, and 1.0810. 0810. There you go. So I'll just mark that through. Now you've got 1.0810, your entry price right there. Okay, click. And your exit price or take profit price at 1.0690. I don't need that. I'll just type the price as well. So your take profit TP, yeah, at 1.0690. There you go. Okay, so that's clearly written. Now we will make it a point to calculate that as well. Your new price sort of entry there, 0810, right down there to your 90 area right there, about 120 pips or so. So that is good. 120 pips, you know, a little shy away from that initial 130, 140 pips, but it's better for us to adjust the price. So this is it, guys. So your Euro USD there, selling price, entry price 1.0810. You do a pending order on that one, and then your take profit is at 1.0690. Where is your stop loss, you may ask? You can do that easy one-to-one ratio. So what that means is that if your sell entry is there and then you target about 120 pips, then your stop loss is from entry to 120 pips as well. So let me just do that. 0810, I'll go up to 120 pips or so. So let me just adjust that. That's roughly at 1.0934. Okay, so 1.0934 is your SL. I'll just type that very quickly as well. That's using a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, 1.0934 or 35, and just keep it there. There you go. That is your SL. All right, so stop loss at 1.0934. There you go. That's using your 1-to-1 ratio right there. So you've got complete there. Once again, Euro USD, we're trading. The direction is to the downside. I'm expecting more falling opportunity, more bearish opportunity, selling opportunity, and you are entering a sell. You can do a pending order right now at 1.0810, and you're looking at your take profit at 1.0690, and you stop loss at 1.0934. So that's it, guys. I've got more coming, more drawings as well, and we will come about with more trade ideas, geometric patterns as well in the upcoming video. So you'll expect about a couple of videos a day, a couple of trade signals a day. So this way you'll be able to see how I draw it and how I trade with your exact entry, stop losses, as well as your take profits. Okay, with that, happy pipping, guys, and we'll see you again in the next video.